Welcome to today's free course on how to start selling ebooks. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your ebook from scratch, how to set it up for selling on a digital store, and then how to promote your product to start making the sales. If you have any skills or any knowledge that you want to share with people, then doing that through ebooks is one of the best ways because people are making crazy money by selling products like ebooks on different topics. I have created multiple ebooks in my business, but for today, look at this ebook that I've created. I'm going to show you exactly how you can also create ebook like this. And hey, if you want to keep getting such educational and knowledgeable videos in the future as well, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my videos. Alright, now let's start creating the ebook. To create your ebook, the first thing that you're going to need is Canva account. And yes, you can use it for free, although there is a paid version for Canva as well, but trust me, you are not going to need the paid version at all. Simply go to Google and search for canva.com. Once you're logged in, you will see a search box on the top where you're going to see search multiple templates. So what we are going to do is we're going to search for the ebook template that we can customize for our ebook as well. So go ahead and go to the search box and type the word ebook multiple pages and click search. As you can see, you're going to get multiple templates that you can use, but there are going to be a mix of free and paid ones. Anyone that you see with the crown button, that is paid. So ignore that and simply go with the free one that you like. So let's go ahead and click on this one and just click customize this template. Make sure you review all the pages so that you don't have to go back and forth with switching the templates. Click the one that you really like and then start customizing it. Once you click on customize this template, it is going to bring you to this page, and this is basically where we are going to edit our ebook. Basically, what we're going to do here is we're just going to swap everything to our own ebooks content, like all the pictures and all the text as well, because we are creating the ebook related to our chosen topic, and the template that we have chosen, it is already created by someone else. So we just need to swap out everything and replace everything with our own content. For today, we are going to create an ebook on the topic of digital products. But if you are, okay, my topic is something different, I am not into digital products, don't worry, because whatever we are going to learn today, it can be applied in any other topic as well. Alright, when it comes to editing your ebook, there are so many things that you can play around with. For example, elements, fonts, uploads, all the graphics, pictures, colors, backgrounds, font style, font sizes, you can actually play around with all these things. But before you go ahead and start playing around with all the edits inside your ebook, there is one very important thing that we need, and that is our ebooks content. That means the things that you really want to write inside your ebook. Usually what I do is I create a proper Google Doc before I start editing my ebook, and in that Google Doc I include everything that I want to mention inside my ebook. So in this way, when it comes to real editing, I just have to copy and paste my text and the entire process gets really easier. That is what I would recommend you as well. But if you're not sure what you want to include inside your ebook, don't worry, because I am going to provide a detailed ChatGPT prompt in the description. So you can just check the description, copy that ChatGPT prompt and paste it into ChatGPT, play around with it, and ChatGPT is going to give you the entire ebook content. Obviously, personalize the content according to your experience, according to your knowledge as well, but it is a great way to get the overall layout of your ebook. Then you're going to swap everything in the template with the content that you have prepared. For example, I'll copy the title from the Google Doc. So this is my Google Doc. I'm going to copy the entire title and then I'll come to Canva and paste it here. Then I can play around with the font style, color, size, everything so that it looks really good. Similarly, you can replace the content on all the pages and make it look good. Once you replace all the content inside your ebook, now is the time to replace the pictures as well. So what you're going to do is, if you already know what pictures you want to insert or you already have the pictures, then simply go to the upload option in Canva. Then under uploads, insert the picture that you want to include. It can be multiple pictures as well. So again, you can be very creative here. But let's say if you don't have any picture, then what you can do is go to the elements tab in Canva and then look for one or different graphics that you can include. For example, I can search for digital products. Okay, so when I search for digital products, what I can do is I can see different graphics that I can use. So you can simply go and explore all the different graphics that Canva is going to give you, but simply select the one that you like and yeah, proceed with it. Repeat this process for all the pages, and in a few minutes or in a few hours, depending on your speed obviously, your ebook will be ready. And if you're like, oh my god, this is so much work for me, I've never used Canva, trust me, that is totally fine, because there was a time when I was also using Canva for the very first time. Oh my god, it took me so long, but I've given you such an easy method. So if you sit with it for a few hours, you will have your ebook in your laptop. So yeah, go ahead and do it and let me know in the comments when your ebook is ready. Okay, once you finish everything, this is how your ebook is going to look like. Obviously from your side, the colors, the pictures, the text and everything is going to vary according to the topic of your ebook. But yeah, this is the ebook that I've created, and I think it looks really awesome because I already did all the research for all the things that I want to include inside my ebook. I did the research using ChatGPT and my personal knowledge and experience as well. So if you already set aside the information that you want to include, trust me, the entire process is going to get so easier. Once the ebook is ready, now is the time to save it in our laptop. So what you're going to do is to save your ebook, on the top right hand side, you're going to see a share button. Okay, once you click on the share button and then click on download, you will be able to download your ebook, but make sure you select the PDF standard option. In this way, you will be able to save your ebook in the form of a PDF and then download it. So now that you have designed and created your ebook, now is the time to start promoting it. But before we start promoting a product, it is really important that you host your ebook on a platform so that whenever someone wants to purchase your product, they can simply go there, read everything about your product and then make the purchase. Now I know a lot of people believe, and I've seen a lot of creators recommending this as well, that you should host your products on Etsy or Gumroad or Amazon KDP, but I am just not a huge fan of that. What I recommend is that you should create your own sales funnel or your own digital store so that you have 100% control over your business. So that is what we are going to do here. Personally, for selling digital products, I manage everything inside this really good software which is called Systemy.io. So if you can see, this is like an all-in-one system. So you can consider it as your business headquarters, because technically you can manage everything from your business in this software. Like you can list your product, you can create a sales funnel, a digital store, your emails, and you can put everything on automation inside Systemy.io. And the best part, it is absolutely free to start with. And let's say even if you have to upgrade as you go along the journey, the plan is very affordable, and that is only $17 a month. So make sure you check it out. I love this software, so I'm going to link it in the description. You can create your free account today and get started. Once you create your account, you will just need to do a few settings like your domain configuration and everything, and then you're going to create a digital store to host your ebook. To create your digital product, you will see this blue ribbon on the top. You're going to head to the option which says sites and then click on creator stores. Once you're inside the creator stores, for you obviously this screen is going to be empty because you're doing it for the first time, but I already have one digital store here. So for you, what you're going to do is head to the top right button which says create. Once you click on create, just name your digital store. I'm just going to name it as test for now, and then you can select your domain, and after that it's going to create a URL path for you, and then you're going to hit save. Once you do that, this is what your digital store is going to look like, but obviously this is not a proper digital store. So we are going to play around with the picture and the settings and the colors, fonts and everything so that it feels good and aesthetic. So you're going to head to edit design option. Once you click on edit design, you're going to see multiple templates that you can choose from. So this is like the theme of your digital store. So for now, let's say I want to go with the Olivia Grace one. So yeah, so you can just explore and see which one you like and then just select that. After that, you can play around with the colors. Let's say I want to go with something like purple or violet color. Okay, and then you can play around with the heading font and then the body font as well. All right, and then you can apply this theme. Once you select the theme, just click on apply theme, and now we are going to add the picture so that it looks at, yeah, this is my store. So what you're going to do is click on edit this header and then insert your picture. If you already have a picture, you can just upload it. Otherwise, you can just click here and then drop your picture here as well. I already have it uploaded, so I'm just gonna click here and then upload this picture. And then you can also add a bio For example, let's say I want to write your passive income bestie, and then you can link your socials as well. But for now, I'm just gonna hit save. So after all the changes, this is how my store is looking like. So if I also want to view it, I can view it as well. Now we are going to add a product here so that whenever someone comes to our digital store, they can click on it to read about a product and then purchase it. So that is our next step. So to add your ebook, you're going to click on add new product. Once you click on that, you're going to click on sell a digital download, because obviously ebook is a digital download, so anybody can download it in their device after they purchase it. So first of all, you're going to add a thumbnail, that means the picture of your ebook. So what I recommend here is take a screenshot or download the first page of your ebook, like the cover page of your ebook, and then upload it here. So I'm going to do that really quickly. So I have uploaded the thumbnail, and next you're going to change the text, that means the title of your ebook. So whatever is the title of your ebook, you can add that, but for now I'm just going to add your digital product guide. After that, you can also change the text of the button, which is going to redirect them to next page. So I can just simply say click here, and then you can also add the subtitles. So this is basically a very quick view or a description of what your product is about, so you can just change that as well, and then hit next. Here again, you can change the name of your digital product, and then you're going to upload the digital product. That means the ebook that you have downloaded from Canva, you're going to attach that file here as your digital product, and then you can edit the confirmation email. So let me just do that very quickly. Now we are going to edit the checkout page. So whenever someone clicks on that click here button, they are going to be redirected to this checkout page. So we really need to mention everything about your digital product, and then also upload a good picture. So you can again upload a very good picture of your ebook. So let's say I just gonna go with this one. All right, and then you can add the title. So you can say get your hands on my digital product guide, and then this is like the again the buy button. After that, you can mention the entire description. Again, you can get the description from ChatGPT as well if you want. Otherwise, just mention how your product is really beneficial for your audience. So make sure you're just not listing the features of what is included inside the ebook or your product. Also mention about what are the transformations or what are the results your audience is going to get after they purchase this. So after that, once you enter the description, you just need to collect some info. So if you want to add something, add any field like the street address, your postal code, city, like you can do that. And then you're going to add a price plan for your product. So simply click here, and then you can create a new price plan. So let's say I want to create a price plan on the name of ebook. I want to price it for $17, and then save it. And then for the payment methods, if you want to add the payment methods like the credit or debit card, obviously for this your payment gateway has to be linked. So when I said that you need to do a few settings inside System.io, so you are going to do that. Once you do all of this, hit next, and then this is the thank you page. So whenever someone makes a payment, this page is going to appear. So you can also edit the thank you page and then publish it. Again, I'm doing this very quickly. When you will be doing this, make sure you do everything very properly and you don't miss out on anything, okay? But once I do all of this, this is how my digital store is going to look now. Now, whenever someone comes to my digital store, this is how it's going to look like. Obviously, if you list 5 products, all the products are going to appear here. But again, I just wanted to give you an idea about how this works. So whenever someone clicks here, this is the checkout page where they will be redirected. They can make the payment and then click on buy now. When they click on buy now, they will be redirected to the thank you page, and then they are going to get this confirmation email that you have set up here. So in the digital download page, there is already a confirmation email. So if you want to edit it, you can. But otherwise, this is the email that they're going to get when they purchase the product. So this is how you're going to host your digital product inside System.io's digital store. Now that our digital store is ready to go, our ebook is made, we have hosted it on the platform. Now is the time to get serious and start promoting our product to start getting the sales. And now if your question is, okay, how I'm going to promote my digital product, I'm going to help you out. But I just want to mention, as you might already know, I have been doing this business for last 2 years. And if I am here today, it is because I have promoted everything on social media. You have found me through social media. My customers have found me through social media. All my leads have found me through social media, because social media is a place where I promote my digital products, and that is what I would recommend you as well. Because right now, whatever you have done, you have created your ebook, does not matter how good your product is. If people do not get to know that it exists, it is not going to sell. So our next thing is we are going to start promoting our product on social media so that people get to know about it, and then they can purchase their digital product. I know a lot of people think that they have to spend a lot of money on ads, or they just have to spend a lot of money in selling the product. But let me tell you that that is not the truth. Even after this state, like 2 years later of doing my business and making six figures, I have never run an ad on my business. That means you can do social media absolutely for free. So now if you're ready to start your social media journey as well, but you're just very new into all of this and you want to understand how you can do it, I've already made a detailed video on that. So make sure you click on this I button. I'm going to link the video here, and then watch this video after you finish this one. And after that, if you feel like you still need proper guidance and real-time support, so maybe you have started your social media but you want someone to review your content and share all the tips and strategies. Maybe you have created your first digital product but you need detailed feedback on it. Maybe you're struggling to find your niche. Like, does not matter what it is, but if you're looking for proper learning, support and guidance throughout your journey, I would highly recommend you to check out my program, which is Passive Creators Hub. So Passive Creators Hub is like an all-in-one place where you are going to learn everything. That means I cover everything from scratch until you understand, learn and set up your own automated systems and start getting the sales. So this is going to be an amazing place so that you can get started with your own journey and start making sales of your digital product. I'm also going to link Passive Creators Hub in the description. You can check it out and I hope to see you inside. I hope you found this video helpful and now you know how you're going to create, market and sell your ebook, and that is your very first digital product. And don't forget, if you want to understand my whole strategy about how to sell your digital products, make sure you click on this video and I will see you there.